Apa mau pakai kursi jalan?
Wild barbecue. Have you tried rabbit meat? I'd never eaten rabbit when I was in Korea because rabbits are like cute pets and are not common meat in March. So it was my first time to try rabbit when I came to Naples. Can you guess my first impression? Yes, it was so good. This is my husband, Gennaro. He's busy preparing to roast rabbit and pork belly at home today. It's been a year since we came back to Naples, so he's happily preparing a meal with his family after a long time. Common herbs like rosemary, thyme, sage, and garlic work well with rabbit. Additionally, slow cooking or braising rabbit can help to bring out its tenderness and flavors.
Graça, cara, lá com pulinhamu, graça.
Affumicare così.
Sì, forno proprio, sì. Vedi oggi? Ma roba, una patatina fritta,
Rabbit has a unique and delicate taste. Some people describe meat as having some sweetness, but it is not as strong as other game meat. It is lean and has a tender texture when prepared properly. Domesticated rabbit meat has fewer calories than chicken, the lowest percentage of fat, and less cholesterol than other commonly consumed meats. Thank you for taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.